Right, listen up, you chocolate fiends. We're about to embark on a journey through time, exploring the rich and fascinating history of chocolate. Did you know that ancient civilizations, like the Mayans, used cocoa beans as currency? Talk about being rich. These beans were so valuable that they were often used in trade and even as offerings to the gods. Imagine having pockets full of money that you could also eat. It's brilliant. The Mayans and Aztecs believed cocoa was a gift from the gods, and they cherished it dearly. However, they probably wouldn't let you pay for a car with a bag of beans today. Times have changed, and so has the value of cocoa beans. But how do we go from a humble bean to that delicious bar of chocolate? The journey from bean to bar is a fascinating process involving harvesting, fermenting, drying, roasting, and grinding. Let's dive in and explore each step. Hold on to your hats, chocolate lovers, because this is a wild ride. From ancient rituals to modern-day treats, chocolate has a history as rich as its flavor. Get ready to savor every moment. Inside each cocoa pod, you'll find cocoa beans, the magical ingredient. They look a bit like almonds, but don't be fooled. These little fellas are packed with flavor. Extracting these beans is the first step on our chocolate adventure. The cocoa pods are carefully harvested, usually by hand, which is quite a feat. Imagine picking hundreds of pods under the tropical sun. Then the beans are scooped out and left to ferment. This is where things get a bit stinky, like a forgotten lunchbox, but trust me, it's crucial for developing that rich chocolate flavor. Section 4. Drying and roasting, bringing out the flavor. After their little fermentation party, the beans need to dry. They're spread out like sunbathers on a beach, soaking up the rays. Once they're nice and dry, it's time for the real magic to happen, roasting. Just like your Sunday roast, the beans are roasted to perfection, enhancing their flavor and aroma. Section 5. Grinding and refining. Smoothness is key. Remember those roasted beans? They get crushed into a paste called cocoa liquor. Now, this doesn't contain any alcohol, even though the name might sound like it. Don't worry, you won't be getting a buzz from this. Section 6. Conching and tempering, the art of chocolate making. This is where the magic truly happens, transforming raw ingredients into the delectable treat we all love. The cocoa liquor is then mixed with sugar and milk. Depending on what type of chocolate is being made, whether it's dark, milk, or white chocolate, the proportions of these ingredients vary, creating distinct flavors and textures that cater to different tastes. This mixture goes through a process called conching, which sounds a bit like something you do at the seaside. However, in the world of chocolate, conching is a crucial step that involves continuous mixing and aerating to develop the chocolate's flavor and smoothness. This is where the chocolate is stirred and smoothed for hours, even days, to get that melt-in-your-mouth texture. The conching process helps to refine the chocolate, removing any unwanted acidity and bitterness, resulting in a silky, luxurious finish. Finally, the chocolate is tempered, a fancy word for carefully heating and cooling it to give it that satisfying snap. Tempering ensures that the chocolate has a glossy finish and a firm structure, making it perfect for molding into bars, truffles, and other delightful shapes. This step is essential for achieving the perfect balance of texture and appearance in the final product. Section 7. From liquid to solid, the grand finale. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. The tempered chocolate is poured into molds of all shapes and sizes. Each mold is carefully chosen to create a unique and delightful shape, from simple bars to intricate designs. This is where things get really exciting. The anticipation builds as the liquid chocolate takes on its final form. Finally, the chocolate is cooled and solidified. This crucial step ensures that the chocolate has the perfect texture and snap when you bite into it. It's like watching a magic trick, except you get to eat the result. The transformation from liquid to solid is mesmerizing. Now the chocolate is ready to be wrapped up and sent off to shops worldwide. Each piece is carefully packaged to ensure it reaches you in perfect condition, and more importantly, into our eager hands. The joy of unwrapping a chocolate bar is a universal experience. That's our journey from bean to bar, folks. From the humble cocoa bean to the delicious chocolate bar, every step is a labor of love. So the next time you indulge in a piece of chocolate, remember the craftsmanship and dedication that went into making it. Take a moment to appreciate the long and delicious journey it took to get to you. Each bite is a testament to the art of chocolate making. And remember, life is too short to say no to chocolate. So